Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. In previous lesson, we have revised counting from 1 to 26 and revised some vocabulary words as well. If you want to watch that lesson again, click the following link and watch it and revise. Alright, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's begin. Today, let's speak in Urdu. We are going to speak the sentences that we have already learned to speak in Urdu. So, how are you? In reply to this, we say, I am fine, thank you. And in Urdu it is, मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. I am fine, thank you. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. Then we say, if you are a girl, you say, I am a girl. I am a girl. And in Urdu it is, मैं एक लड़की हूँ. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. Or you can always say, मैं लड़की हूँ. And if you are a boy, you say, I am a boy. And in Urdu it is, मैं एक लड़का हूँ. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. Or you can always say, मैं लड़का हूँ. Then you tell your name and say, my name is whatever your name is. So here I'm going to say my name. So I'm going to say, my name is Amna. And in Urdu it is, मेरा नाम Amna है. Of course, you're going to say whatever your name is. Then you tell your age. So whatever your age is, you are obviously going to tell that. Here we are going to just imagine it is 6 years old. Okay? So you say, I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. And in Urdu it is, मैं 6 साल की हूँ. मैं 6 साल की हूँ. Or if you are a boy, you say, मैं 6 साल का हूँ. मैं 6 साल का हूँ. If you are a girl, you say, मैं 6 साल की हूँ. मैं 6 साल की हूँ. Or if you are a boy, you say, मैं 6 साल का हूँ. मैं 6 साल का हूँ. Now let's repeat all these sentences one more time. I am a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. और मैं लड़की हूँ. I am a boy. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. My name is Amna. मेरा नाम आमना है. I am 6 years old. मैं 6 साल की हूँ. So here I said मैं 6 साल की हूँ because I am a girl. So that's why I'm saying की हूँ. If you're a boy, you're obviously going to say मैं 6 साल का हूँ. Okay? Revise and repeat many times. Okay, then we say, when you are telling your brother's name, you say, my brother's name is dash. Obviously, you're going to fill the blank with the name of your brother. So here we are going to use the imaginary names, okay? So I'm going to say, my brother's name is Ali. मेरे भाई का नाम अली है. मेरे भाई का नाम अली है. My father's name is Ahmad. And in Urdu it is, मेरे अब्बू का नाम अहमद है. Then you say, my mother's name is dash. So whatever your mother's name is, so here we will say, my mother's name is Saima. मेरी अम्मी का नाम साइमा है. So here you must remember one thing. When we are talking about boys, we say मेरे. For boys, mere. For girls, meri. Okay, so see that sentence? मेरी अम्मी का नाम साइमा है. मेरी अम्मी का नाम साइमा है. My sister's name is Kiran. So here, sister is also a girl. So in Urdu, we are going to say Meri. Okay? So we are going to say मेरी बहन का नाम डैश है. मेरी बहन का नाम किरण है. Now let's repeat these sentences one more time. My brother's name is Ali. मेरे भाई का नाम अली है. My father's name is Ahmed. मेरे अब्बू का नाम अहमद है. My mother's name is Saima. मेरी अम्मी का नाम साइमा है. My sister's name is Kiran. मेरी बहन का नाम किरण है. You should remember, for boys you are going to say mere, and for girls you are going to say meri. All right? However, you are going to say the names of your brother, your sister, and your parents, of course. All right, then we say, I am happy. When you are happy. And in Urdu it is, मैं खुश हूँ. मैं खुश हूँ. And if you are sad, you say, I am sad. I am sad. And in Urdu it is, मैं उदास हूँ. Let's repeat one more time. I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ. I am sad. मैं उदास हूँ. Now let's practice talking in Urdu, okay? All of those sentences, we are only going to speak all of them in Urdu, okay? मैं एक लड़की हूँ. मेरा नाम आमना है. मैं 6 साल की हूँ. मेरे भाई का नाम अली है. मेरे अब्बू का नाम अहमद है. मेरी अम्मी का नाम साइमा है. मेरी बहन का नाम किरण है. मैं खुश हूँ. शुक्रिया. You should practice saying all these sentences as well. All right? Practice more and more. Now this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson. Till then, take care of yourselves. Remember in your dua. Allah Hafiz.